Torrential slide value equivalent to $18.4362 a coin. The present reach: $15.9128, $19.0735. The earlier day close: $16.8123. The change was plus 1.6239, plus 9.66%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $11.34. Most extreme cost $26.07, least cost $10.88. The normal for the month $18.16. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $24.36, change for November 114.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with, cost at $24.36. Greatest cost $32.14, least cost $22.52. The normal for the month $26.82. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $28.26, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $28.26. Most extreme cost $35.07, least cost $28.26. The normal for the month $31.09. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $32.78, change for January 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else, cost at $32.78. Most extreme cost $32.78, least cost $28.23. The normal for the month $31.04. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $30.35, change for February 7.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2024. In the first place, cost at $30.35. Greatest cost $30.35, least cost $23.71. The normal for the month $27.48. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $25.49, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with, cost at $25.49. Greatest cost $26.84, least cost $23.32. The normal for the month $25.18. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $25.08, change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $25.08. Most extreme cost $25.08, least cost $21.52. The normal for the month $23.71. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $23.14, change for May 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $23.14. Greatest cost $23.14, least cost $18.08. The normal for the month $20.95. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $19.44, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $19.44. Greatest cost $20.07, least cost $17.45. The normal for the month $18.93. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $18.76, change for July 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $18.76. Most extreme cost $20.85, least cost $18.13. The normal for the month $19.31. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $19.49, change for August 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $19.49. Most extreme cost $19.49, least cost $15.72. The normal for the month $17.90. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $16.90, change for September 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $16.90. Greatest cost $20.97, least cost $16.90. The normal for the month $18.59. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $19.60, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $19.60. Most extreme cost $19.60, least cost $15.31. The normal for the month $17.74. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $16.46, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $8.96. Most extreme cost $9.30, least cost $8.08. The normal for the month $8.76. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.69, change for January 3.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $8.69. Most extreme cost $10.79, least cost $8.69. The normal for the month $9.56. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $10.08, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with, cost at $10.08. Greatest cost $12.51, least cost $10.08. The normal for the month $11.09. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $11.69, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place, cost at $11.69. Greatest cost $14.16, least cost $11.69. The normal for the month $12.69. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $13.23, change for April 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $13.23. Most extreme cost $13.23, least cost $10.33. The normal for the month $11.98. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $11.11, change for May 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Initially cost at $11.11. Most extreme cost $11.11, least cost $8.68. The normal for the month $10.06.